Have you ever learned English in school, but then a native speaker said something to you and you had absolutely no idea what they meant?
Oh, that moment is so real. You studied for years, and then someone says, "What's up?" And your brain just stops.
Today, we are sharing 20 natural sentences that native speakers use every single day so you can finally understand them. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fluent Thrive, where real conversations help your English grow.
Hey, great to have you here today. I'm David.
And I'm Olivia. And today, we have a really exciting episode for you.
You know, so many English learners study grammar, they study vocabulary, they work really hard.
But then they listen to a native speaker in real life or watch an American TV show and they think, wait, we didn't learn this in school.
Exactly that feeling, because native speakers don't talk like textbooks.
So today, David and I are going to have a natural conversation, and inside that conversation, we will use 20 real sentences that native speakers use all the time.
We'll explain each one simply and clearly, so by the end of this video, you'll feel much more confident listening to native English.
Let's go. Okay, David, let's start with something simple, something that happens every single morning.
Okay, what's the situation?
Imagine you walk into your office, you see your coworker, what do you say?
Oh, easy. I'd say, hey, how's it going?
And there's our first natural sentence. How's it going? Native speakers say this all the time instead of, how are you?
Right. How are you is correct English, but in real life, most people say, how's it going? Or even just, how's everything?
So that's sentence number one. How's it going? Let's try it. Say it with us. How's it going?
Good. Now, what do you say back? If someone asks, how's it going, what's a natural answer?
Great question. A very natural reply is, not bad, thanks. Or pretty good.
Native speakers almost never say, I am fine, thank you, and you in a casual conversation. That sounds very formal.
So don't worry if you've been saying that. We all learn it in school first, but now you know the natural way. And that brings us to sentence number two. Not bad, thanks.
Now let's move into a situation. Olivia, imagine I haven't seen you in a while, maybe 2 or 3 weeks. I see you at a coffee shop. What do I say?
Oh, you'd probably say, long time no see.
Yes. Sentence number 3. Long time no see. This is a very friendly and warm thing to say when you meet someone after a long time.
And it's so easy to remember. Long time no see. It literally means it has been a long time since I saw you, but native speakers shorten it to just long time no see.
Much more natural, much more friendly.
Okay, here's one that confused me when I first heard it. Someone once said to me, what have you been up to?
Oh, yes. For many learners, that sentence sounds very strange at first.
But it simply means, what have you been doing lately? Sentence number 4, what have you been up to?
It's a very warm, casual question. Friends ask each other this all the time. Hey, what have you been up to?
And a natural answer would be something like, oh, not much, just working a lot. Or, been pretty busy actually.
Which brings us perfectly to sentence number 5. When someone is busy, they often say, I've been swamped.
Sentence number 5, I've been swamped. This means I have been very, very busy, like completely full of work.
Swamped is a great word. Imagine a swamp. Water everywhere, hard to move. That's how busy feels sometimes.
If you're enjoying these sentences, go ahead and like this video. It really helps other English learners find us too.
Okay, so now we know how to greet someone naturally. But what about when you're in a conversation? How do native speakers show they're listening?
This is so important because in English, especially in American or British English, people use small phrases to show they are engaged.
One of the most common ones is, that makes sense.
Sentence number 6, that makes sense. Instead of just saying, I understand, native speakers often say that makes sense to show they are following the conversation.
For example, imagine your friend is explaining why they were late to a meeting. They say, the traffic was really bad today. And you reply, that makes sense.
It sounds so natural, so human.
Now, here's one that learners sometimes find confusing. The phrase, I know, right?
Oh, I love this one. Sentence number 7. I know, right? This is how native speakers strongly agree with something.
For example, I say, this summer has been so hot, and you reply, I know, right? It means, yes, I completely agree, I feel the same way.
And it's a great way to bond with someone. When you say, I know, right? It shows you truly understand and relate to them.
Moving on, here's a sentence that's very useful when you're surprised by good news. Imagine your friend tells you they got a new job. What do you say?
Oh, you'd say, no way, that's amazing.
No way. Sentence number 8. No way. Now, this doesn't mean, no, I refuse. In this context, it means, really? I can't believe it. It's an expression of surprise.
So if someone shares exciting news, no way is a very natural, enthusiastic reaction.
Native speakers say this constantly. No way. No way. That's so cool. No way. When did that happen?
Okay, here's another one. This one comes from a real-life situation. David, have you ever been in a meeting at work and someone explains a complicated plan and you want to make sure you understood correctly?
Oh, yes. All the time.
What do you say?
I'd say, so just to be clear, and then I repeat back what I understood.
Sentence number 9. So just to be clear, this is a very professional and natural sentence. Native speakers use it when they want to confirm information. It shows you're paying attention. It shows you're careful.
You might hear this a lot in work meetings, in phone calls, or even in everyday conversations when something's a little complicated.
And our 10th sentence, this one is beautiful because it's so simple. When you agree with a plan or an idea, native speakers often just say, sounds good.
Sentence number 10. Sounds good. Not, yes, I agree with your proposal, just sounds good.
Simple, friendly, and natural. And native speakers use it in texts, in emails, in conversations, everywhere.
Well done. Okay, we are halfway through our 20 sentences. If you're watching Fluent Thrive for the first time, make sure you subscribe. We post conversations like this every week to help your English grow naturally.
All right, let's get into how native speakers share their opinions, because this is where a lot of learners feel stuck.
True, many learners know how to answer a question, but sharing your opinion naturally, that feels harder.
So instead of saying, in my opinion, which is perfectly correct, but a little formal, native speakers often start with, honestly.
Sentence number 12, honestly. When a native speaker says honestly at the start of a sentence, it means they are about to share a real personal thought.
For example, honestly, I think that movie was a little too long. Or, honestly, I'm not sure that's a good idea.
It makes the sentence feel more human, more real.
Not now. What if you want to suggest something to a friend, like recommend a restaurant or suggest a plan?
Native speakers usually say, you should totally try it.
Sentence number 12. You should totally try it. The word totally here adds enthusiasm. It makes the suggestion feel exciting and genuine.
For example, you should totally try that new cafe downtown. The coffee's amazing. It's friendly, it's natural, it feels like real advice from a real friend.
And what if someone suggests something to you, but you're not completely sure? Maybe you're a little hesitant.
A natural response would be, I'm not sure about that.
Sentence number 13. I'm not sure about that. This is a polite, soft way to disagree or express doubt. It doesn't sound rude. It sounds honest and calm.
Native speakers use this when they don't want to say a hard no, but they also don't fully agree.
So it keeps the conversation friendly and open.
Now here's one that learners almost never learn at school, but you will hear constantly in real life. When something unexpected or surprising happens, native speakers say, that's so random.
Oh yes, sentence number 14. That's so random. This means that was unexpected, or that came from nowhere.
For example, you're talking about coffee with a friend, and suddenly they say, "Oh, did I tell you I saw a zebra at the supermarket last week?" And you say, "Wait, what? That's so random."
It's such a fun sentence and very, very common in casual conversation.
Okay, and our 15th sentence. This one is incredibly useful when you want to change the topic naturally in a conversation. Native speakers say, "By the way."
Sentence number 15. By the way, this is how you smoothly introduce a new idea or topic without it sounding abrupt.
For example, you're talking about your weekend plans, and then you remember something. "By the way, did you hear about the new restaurant that opened near the park?"
It's smooth, it's natural, and it keeps the conversation flowing beautifully.
Okay, let's take a quick moment here, because there are a couple of mistakes that English learners often make with these types of sentences.
And don't worry at all if you've made these mistakes before. Everyone does it first.
Mistake number 1, translating these phrases word by word from your own language.
For example, long time no see. If you translate it word by word, it might not make sense in your language. But in English, it's a fixed, friendly expression. Just learn it as one complete phrase.
Nodding. Mistake number 2, using formal English in casual situations. For example, saying, "How are you doing today?" to a close friend sounds a little stiff. A native speaker would more likely say, "Hey, how's it going?"
Knowing when to use casual English is just as important as knowing how to say it.
And mistake number 3, being silent when you don't know what to say. Instead, use simple filler sentences like, "That makes sense," or "Sounds good," and the conversation keeps going naturally.
All right, we are almost at our final 5 sentences, and these ones are all about ending conversations naturally.
Because so many learners focus on starting conversations, but ending them smoothly, that's a skill too.
So true. Have you ever been in a conversation and you didn't know how to leave? You just keep standing there?
Oh, that's so relatable. You're saying goodbye, but then you keep talking for another 20 minutes.
Okay, so when you want to politely end a conversation, a very natural phrase is, "It was really great catching up."
Sentence number 16 is, "It was really great catching up." The phrase catching up means updating each other on your lives after some time apart.
So when you say goodbye to a friend, "It was really great catching up." It feels warm, genuine, and very natural.
And a very common follow-up to that is, "Let's do this again soon."
Sentence number 17, "Let's do this again soon." This means, "I enjoyed this. I want to meet again." It's friendly and leaves a positive feeling at the end of the conversation.
Now, what if someone says they have to leave, they're in a hurry? A very natural thing to say is, "No worries, take care."
Sentence number 18, "No worries, take care." No worries means it's okay, no problem. And take care is a warm way to say goodbye.
Native speakers use take care much more often than a simple goodbye. It feels more personal and friendly.
Almost there. 2 more sentences. David, what do native speakers say when they want to wish someone luck?
Oh, easy. Good luck with that, or more commonly, "You've got this."
Sentence number 19, "You've got this." This is one of the most encouraging and motivating phrases in English. It means, "I believe in you. You can do it."
To the viewers, if your friend is nervous before a job interview, you say, "Hey, you've got this." It's short, it's powerful, and it feels so supportive.
I love that sentence. It always makes you feel better.
And our final sentence, number 20. This one is used when someone shares something surprising or unbelievable. Native speakers say, "Are you serious right now?"
Sentence number 20, "Are you serious right now?" This doesn't always mean the person is angry. Often it means, "Wow, really? I can't believe this."
For example, your friend tells you they want a free trip to Paris. You say, "Are you serious right now? That's incredible."
It's expressive, it's real, and native speakers say it all the time.
Okay, let's do a quick review of all 20 sentences. Say them with us slowly and clearly.
Ready? Here we go.
1. How's it going?
2. Not bad, thanks.
3. Long time no see.
4. What have you been up to?
5. I've been swamped.
6. That makes sense.
7. I know, right?
8. No way.
9. So, just to be clear.
10. Sounds good.
11. Honestly.
12. You should totally try it.
13. I'm not sure about that.
14. That's so random.
15. By the way.
16. It was really great catching up.
17. Let's do this again soon.
18. No worries. Take care.
19. You've got this.
And 20. Are you serious right now?
Now, here's a fun question for you in the comments.
Which sentence from today's list is your favorite? Or which one do you want to start using right away?
Write it in the comments below. We read every single one, and it's great practice to write in English too.
And that is our 20 natural English sentences that native speakers use every single day.
You know, learning English isn't just about grammar rules and vocabulary lists. It's about understanding how real people actually talk.
And that's exactly what we try to do here at Fluent Thrive every single week.
So keep listening, keep practicing, and remember, English gets easier every single day. Step by step, conversation by conversation.
If this video helped you, please share it with a friend who's also learning English. You might really help them today.
Thank you so much for spending time with us. It really means a lot.
We'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.
Bye for now.